Sydnastical presents.
Hey guys, so my Halloween costume, since Taylor's dad got me so involved with a Rubik's Cube and now I can finally solve one, I am being a Rubik's Cube for Halloween. This is all I've got so far is the yellow side. See? And so then I'm going to put right here, I think I'm going to put blue, and then here, green, and then here, I think orange, and then on the top, which isn't there yet, I'm probably going to put white. I said orange for that, right? Yeah. I'll probably put white on the top. So we are going on one of the next layers now. So we'll keep you updated.
You can film down here.
My dad is measuring to see where to put the little squares. That's pretty good. Spray on glue. See, I don't know if you can see, but there's some lines that my dad, marked up. Measurements. And here is orange and yellow. And then, see? So now we're going to go on to our third color. So there's our three colors, yellow, green, and orange. Looks so cool. And there's the blue. Blue, yellow, green, and orange. It looks really good. Okay, so this is where we are right now. My dad and I are still going to cut out the hole for my head, which is probably going to be pretty big.
She's it.
You didn't finish your sentence.
Oh yeah, because she's got a cube on this head.
And we are also going to do the arms too, and then I'll show you what happens, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's on. All right, see yes. Okay, so now I'm gonna try it on, and my dad cut the head out. Let's see how it goes. Hey guys, so we are all done doing my Rubik's Cube Halloween costume that my dad made. I'm so happy that he made it. Thank you. And comment down below for what you're going to be for Halloween. And thanks for watching.